Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel order on AliExpress before shipping. Open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom side of your screen you see your account, and then at the top you see My Orders tab, and here go to View All button, and here from this list you should find the order that you want to cancel. Then tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button Cancel Order, and then you will be requested to select the reason why you want to cancel your order. Just pick one reason that fits you the best, and then of course submit your cancellation request. And then all you have to do is just wait until your money will be returned to you. Usually your money is returned in 3 to 20 business days, depending on your payment method. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.